In this video, we'll show you how to change the air filter on your Ram 1500. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. You should now be able to easily see the airbox to change the filter. Using a multi-bit screwdriver and a 10mm socket, unscrew the 6 airbox cover holding screws. Lift the cover. Take out the air filter. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Before putting the new filter in place, it is important to clean out any impurities or leaves stuck in the filter compartment. You can order the air filter used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new filter. You can now put the new filter in place. Put the cover back in place. Then screw the 6 retaining screws back in. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right, CarParts.com.